Hello, everybody. Oh my goodness, my fill for vitamin Z, nature, the lake, and sunshine. 70 degrees Fahrenheit plus. It's just been amazing. It's nothing like relaxing from a wonderful past 2 days in sunshine, in nature, meeting new folks, only to lay down and then realize you forgot to do your daily video as promised. And as a woman of integrity, for those of you know, I show up. I keep my word. My word is my bond, and I do my best to be available for you in your time of need. And it's not about me. It's about you. Reminding you every single day you have the amazing choice to press play. Plan life according to you. Please pardon me as I'm actually in bed and then I realize, oh my goodness, I didn't do my daily video. And so as I am streaming from my bed, as you can see here, a good friend of mine made this. It's a Mickey pillow because I absolutely love Disney World. It's just the softest, no-sew handmade pillow ever. So it's just fluffy, it's cuddly, it's cozy, and it's just the perfect way to end today. But without further ado, I want to see, how about you? What are your nighttime routines? What are your habitual rituals to kind of wind down from a productive day, a fun day, a day to explore, a day to create, a day to keep busy, productive, a day to be a service to the world, to others? How do you wind down your evening? Is it with a nice cup of warm herbal tea, warm milk, which I've never had, listening to soothing music, a steamy bubble bath or shower, just watching your favorite clip on the television, or just kind of meditation and relaxing? Today was an amazing day number 2 of positive messages, meeting new individuals, learning so much more about people, the world, and my contribution to the world, and how I can do my best to service you. But without further ado, I have to get my beauty sleep because tomorrow, Thursday, June 30th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, once again, I will be back on the African portal, but this time with my cohort, Dr. Nelson Belteshazzar. So tune in. The information and the link will be provided in the video down below. And without further ado, I want to ask you, what is your nighttime routine? How do you wind down from an amazing day and get in preparation for a new day? Positive message, perseverance, passion, and staying productive. Let me know what you want to hear. Let me know in the comments down below what you do and what's most effective for your nighttime routine. Are they stemmed from your childhood? Have they been created and innovated with your mind, with positivity? What do you do? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And without further ado, I am Andrea, the Global Voice Mason, certified global motivational speaker under the mentorship of the legendary now Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach, bringing you daily content every single day, even if it means waking up, reminding myself I have to do my daily video. And I'm coming up, which I believe the counter stems right, my 600th daily video as of July 1st, 2022. I started in October of 2020. I believe it was either the 20th or the 21st. I have a look at the register, and nonstop since then, with a few breaks because of preparation for my graduation from Dr. Brown's Academy And I think maybe one or two holidays I did double on one. But regardless, I hit 600 as of July 1st, 2022, having spoken on every single continent and sharing my love with you every single day. Remember, you have the choice to press play. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join me on my website, andreamasons.com, for your free gift. I look forward to hearing from you. Be safe, be well, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Good night.